Today I'm gonna tell you how can you write a program which will take input of two numbers and print subtract of them, that will subtract A from B. So I'm writing here A equal to int input, enter a number, B equal to int input, enter a second number. I will write here first, in the first line enter a first number. So now print subtraction of them. Now I'm going to run it. You have to save it. You can save it by subtraction. Embedded syntax. Here is error. So we have to find what is the error. Here we have closed two brackets and opened a bracket. So we have to backspace it and then run it. Okay. So our program is run successfully. Now you have to enter a number. I am gonna enter a number 45 and then second number 20 and then going to press it, enter. So you can see here subtraction of two numbers are 25 is printed. It means it is working well and correctly. So thank you.